Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Syaputri. In this video I want to explain about materi perubahan pengembangan organisasi. What it is organizational change? Organizational change refers to process through which an organization adapts to transform itself in response to change in its internal or external environment. This is called involved in strategy, structure, process, workplace, culture, or how the organizational engage with employees and customers. It's not just about adopting a new system or introducing new rules. It often involves and deeper transformation in how people think, behavior, and make decisions with the organizational in the today fast-moving world. Change is not an option but this organizational that refers to adapt often find themselves left behind, struggling to remain rivals of the survive. Next, why organizational need to change? The primary reason organizational need to change is because the world around them is constantly evolving. The business environment, technology, customer experience, and even how people work, everything is shifted. Is organizational stage with other ways of doing things in which become outdated or influence image. A company that still relies heavily on people process without the competitor and moving towards automation and digital system, it will fall behind quickly. Change can be tried by external force such a new competitor may market disruption of government's regulation, but it can also come from with such in this to improve productivity, save cultural or address internal change, no matter the cause change. This is a part toward growth and influence. Change is journey. We can think of organizational change as a journey rather than a single event. Is it doesn't happen at overtake in reality, it is like and journey it can be full of change, urgence and moments of discomfort, but if organizational is committed to the process and clear about the destination of the outcome can be deep rewards in very similar to someone decision to live in healthy lifestyle. They have to change habits, stay the grips and keep going even too difficult. The same applies organization real change this time consistent and will reach this change take money from change doesn't always mean something massive or dramatic. Something it begins with small self-adjusting how team communications, improve how meetings are run, are integrating in new software tools. But there are also large change that can deeply effective can restrain that determination.
Nah,
Deep effect organizational like rescaling department, reverting leadership role and transforming the company and try mission of values each type of change. Small or large requires thought planning and the engagement of the people influence talk planning. Simple ignite hope. The people influence the matter how simple it might seem. Ever change impact how people work and think, which is why even small improvement can make a big difference over time. The realita resistance. Although change is often met crazy in rebel welcome with open arms, the many people feel uncomfortable with change because it spreads routine and brings irreversibly it's normal for employees to worry about losing control, having to learn new skills, or even the fear of becoming less relevant in the system. Think kind of resistance doesn't mean people are brand. It usually means they need more credit support and environment. One of the big challenges this is unchanged process in helping people move from fear to understanding. When people don't know why the chance they happen was the means from them personally, they are more likely to resist why communication and empathy are adversely essential. The role and leadership. Leadership plays a central role in guiding an organizational through change. Leaders need to be more than just decision maker. They must be role models, communication, and supporters. And leader will be live in the change and demonstrate that belief through ascension and attitude can inspire confidence in others. Employees look to leadership for education and pride during uncertain times. Leaders must explain not just what in charging but why charging and now it benefit everyone. By being open to honest and supportive, leader can help me reduce fears and bullying resistances for purpose around the change. Change in process, not a moment. Change is organizational, doesn't happen all the once. It unfolds in habit in usually starts with recording the need for change, then moves into planning, communicating, and gradually implementing new ways of doing things. Along the way, there result be room for feedback, learning, and adjustment. Mistake and challenges will happen, but they are part of the process. Organizational that accept this is unwilling to learn as they go are much more likely to success making lasting change. Just like with personal growth, the retainers scorecard it makes time real application and acknowledging the efforts. Culture matter. One of the most powerful forecasts in organizational is its culture, its shared value, behavior, and way of thinking for change to take root. It has a legend with the transform. That's culture. If a culture isn't resign learning, innovation, and transparency, it will be very hard implement change. On the other hand, a culture that encourages collaboration and often which make change feel natural, even excusing. That's why embrace not just to change system of culture, but also to influence inspires culture that's job. Continue influencement. Conclusion. In the end, organizational change is about more than just new strategy of structural. It's about people. It's about giving people to increasingly happy to grow and building a stronger, more addictive organizational together. With change can be uncomfortable. It's also full and opportunity organizational that encourage change with clarity communication and crowds are ones that thrive thrive in the long run. The most successful organizational aren't ones afraid change but know how much it will. Come on, boo. Final thought: change is not something to fear, but it's something to prepare for. It is a sign the organizational in life learning and moving forward. While the process might not be easy, the result can be powerful. With the right mindset, leadership, and support chain can become one of the more positive, transformative experience an organizational can to manage. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.